Hi students, welcome to Bio Time with Sharmila. In this video, we are going to see crop production and management lesson class 8 terms. Agriculture. The practice of growing plants and rearing animals on a large scale for food, fiber and other useful products. Crops. Plants of the same kind when cultivated at the same place on a large scale for food, fodder, fiber or any other useful product. Ploughing. It is a process of loosening and turning of soil using a tool or an implement called the plough. Irrigation. The supply of water to agriculture fields at regular intervals. Weeding. The process of removal of weeds from a field. Pesticide. A chemical substance used for controlling and destroying pests. Harvesting. The process of cutting and gathering mature crops. Animal husbandry. The practice of breeding and raising animals on a large scale. Pisciculture. The rearing and breeding of fish on a large scale. Apiculture. Rearing of honeybees on a large scale. Crop rotation. The successive planting of two or more crops alternatively on the same land in the same season to improve crop fertility. Winnowing. The process of separating grains from the chaff with the help of wind. Threshing. The process of separation of grain from the chaff. Nitrogen cycle. The process in which atmospheric nitrogen enters the soil and becomes a part of living organisms and then returns to the atmosphere. Nitrogen fixation. The process by which free atmospheric nitrogen is converted into nitrogen compounds. Field fallow. A simple and easy method of increasing fertility of soil is to leave the land without farming for a few seasons. Nutrients are replenished in the soil when dead animals and plants are decomposed by microbes. This process is called field fallow. Leaching. The process by which fertilizers seep into water bodies. Mixed cropping. Growing of two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land. This leads to improvement in soil fertility and crop production. Agricultural practices. Cultivation of crops involves several techniques and activities that farmer has to undertake when crops are sown, harvested and stored. These activities are collectively termed as agricultural practices. Horticulture. It is a branch of agriculture that deals with science and art of production, improvement, marketing and use of fruits, vegetables, flowers and ornamental plants. Symbiosis. It is defined as relationships or interactions between two organisms of different kinds which are mutually beneficial to both. Hybridization. Breeding or crossing between two different varieties of a crop in order to incorporate the desired qualities of both parents in offspring. Food crop. A crop grown for the purpose of food is called a food crop. Cash crop. A crop grown for the purpose of sale and profit and not for subsistence is called a cash crop. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Bio Time. Do like, share and comment below.